Today is Karthigai Deepam, so we are planning to do Diyas. So in foreign countries we have carpet floors. So if we light a real Diya, it's not safety. So that's why we can do paper Diyas. It's much more safer and much more neater. So we are gonna do paper Diyas. Did you know Karthigai Deepam is a festival of lamps? And Karthigai Deepam is the most important festival for Hindus. And Karthigai Deepam only comes in the month of Karthigai. Do you know the light of the lamp is an auspicious symbol for Hindus? I think we are ready to move on to make some diyas. So let's go!
So first get a square paper. I got a design paper with one side with flowers and one side is plain. Fold your square paper in half. Then unfold it. Now you get a creased line. So get the bottom and fold till the new creased line. Next, unfold this as well and you'll get a new creased line. So fold till that one. Then unfold that one as well and you'll get a new creased line. So fold till that one. Now you should not unfold this one. So just flip the paper, fold one time to the top. Next, flip it and do the same to this side. Then do it again. Flip, fold, flip, fold. So just repeat like that, okay? You're almost done. So I got a vertical thing, so it's zigzag. So next I'm folding this in half. I'm folding it very neatly. Next, I should glue two parts together. Do you see over there? That's where you should put glue. Then you can just put those two. Now you put glue so you can stick it together. And one part is ready. But you can't do a diya with one part, so I'm just gonna repeat the same to this paper. This is all the same steps. So I did the same. Now we're gonna glue it. Just like we did for the other one. Now I got another one like this one. So now we're gonna stick both of them together. You can do how much you want, so you can do 3 or 4. But I'm just gonna stick with 2. But you can't make it with 1. I finished sticking both of them. Now we just have to do the flame. I think my base looks good. Do you see the flame on that one? We have to do the exact same thing. So I'm just putting it together to see if it looks good. So now I'm gonna glue it. I got an orange flame that I cut it out and a glitter flame that I cut it out. So I can stick them together. And my flame is ready! So now I just have to put the flame and the base together. I'm just making some adjustments. So now let's glue them. Before I'm gonna glue them, I'm just gonna widen them up. There guys, I have a perfect Diya. I'm gonna put this in my wall and hang it up. I hope this is a perfect Diya. The base is ready and the flame is ready. That means my Diya is ready. So there, I finished it. It looks awesome.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll meet you in another festival video and make something special. I hope this was a special video for you. I'll see you later, guys.